Futures trade nearly 24 hours a day, but not all hours are equal. Understanding when the real volume shows up is one of the fastest ways to improve your trading odds. Futures markets run nearly 24/5, but liquidity clusters around specific windows. The Asia session is thin and drifty. When London opens, volume ticks up. But the NYAM session, right around the cash market open at 9:30, that's when the real money shows up. This is typically the highest conviction, highest volatility stretch of the entire day. If you can only trade a couple of hours, this is the window worth building your schedule around. This is crucial. A setup that works perfectly at 10 a.m. might fail at 2 a.m. Not because your read on price was wrong, but because the amount of participation behind the move is different. A breakout during light Asia hours might look promising, but it's less reliable because there's fewer traders willing to lean on it. That same break during NYAM, with real volume behind it, is a stronger signal, because more capital is actually committed to confirming the direction. You've probably heard the term Killzone if you've done any reading on structured trading. It just means specific windows where volume and directional moves statistically cluster more, usually around session opens like London and NYAM. It's not proprietary, and it doesn't promise a trade is coming. It simply tells you, this is when liquidity tends to concentrate, so this is when to be sharp and present. There's a reason traders call late morning lunch chop. Volume dries up, the market gets indecisive, and ranges tighten. Stops get triggered more easily on small moves because there's less volume underneath to support direction. Rather than forcing trades into this window, many disciplined traders simply step away. Your job isn't to trade every hour, it's to trade the hours where conditions actually reward your skill. When you spot a setup, always ask, how much real participation is behind this? A bounce off a level during Asia might look identical to a bounce off the same level during NYAM, but one is backed by more real capital. You're not predicting the market, you're reading the evidence of what's already showing up, and that evidence is strongest when volume is there to back it. The NYM session offers the highest volume to time ratio of any window in the 24-hour futures cycle. Start there. Educational only, not financial advice.